To assemble your TRUFAST Adhesive Pump cart, start by lifting and placing the pump onto the cart, aligning the bolts with the corresponding holes. You can adjust your pump by moving it forward or backward, depending on your length of hose using these 3 holes. Once you have the pump set, fasten it with the delta nuts provided. To install your transfer hoses, start by loosening and removing the nut, and then proceed to thread on the appropriate hose, red for the A side and blue for the B side. Tighten the nuts with a wrench. Next step is to attach the hoses. With a wrench, remove the plugs. Like before, install the red hose to the A side. A side is marked here with an A. Thread the hose on and tighten with a wrench. Repeat for the B side. Now that the hoses are connected to the pump, we have to attach the hose to the gun. There are 2 fittings that come in the kit. Connect one to each hose, getting them finger tight. Now with the gun, connect red to red and blue to blue, then tighten down with wrenches. To prepare the gun, take off the push-to-connect manifold. Add grease to the seals to help prevent hardening of the A or B material on the gun. You also want to add grease on the NOx valve. The NOx valve is designed for no crossover. The openings on the NOx valve allow material to flow out but not back in. After the NOx valve is greased, you can thread on your static mixer.